We may see more trade deals announced today with that tariff deadline now less than a day away. In fact, President Trump recently announced an agreement with South Korea, one of the bigger countries that we were still awaiting a deal for earlier this week. But earlier this morning, President Trump posted to Truth Social about this, a tariff push and the impact of it all, writing, quote, "Now the tide has completely turned and America has successfully countered this onslaught of tariffs used against it. 1 year ago, America was a dead country. Now it is the hottest country anywhere in the world." But let's dive deeper into this South Korea deal. As part of this deal, South Korean imports will see a 15% tariff rate, while American products sent to the country will not be charged with a tariff. The president also saying South Korea will give the U.S. $350 billion for investments and buy $100 billion in energy products. President Trump also touted a deal with Pakistan, saying the two sides will work together on an oil partnership. We may see more agreements announced today as well. Some of the biggest remaining holdouts include Mexico, India, and Brazil. Canada may see a tough time reaching a deal, though, with President Trump recently criticizing the country for supporting Palestinian statehood and writing, "That will make it very hard for us to make a trade deal with them." Also of note today, something important to monitor will be a U.S. federal appeals court hearing a case from states and businesses calling for these tariffs not to go into effect. A main question at the heart of this court case is whether or not President Trump has the authority to bypass Congress and impose these taxes. At the White House, I'm Tom Dempsey, News Nation.